summer availed me nothing, nor the sweet weather green and flowering. It is well fitting that my singing be heard now with the snow. For he who praising is not listened to must change place and company, and watch for fitting times and hours, and play the fool when he sees that wisdom avails him nothing. I know well that a quarrelsome lover, cruel, harsh, and discourteous, is more loved and cherished than we loyal ones, for which I grieve. And because I say it, I shall be blamed for it. But there are so many deceived ones, that if strife or dispute arises from it, for me, I shall marvel greatly if our side does not win. Turn aloof against the deceiving ones, because I am banished from my lady, and I know no wrong but her own. And in this I fear being accused, for her wrong seems like truth, and beside her fair words my right seems nothing. So sprightly is her fair reasoning. Never shall I part from you alive, for I know that all people say that your worth is complete, and you are the noblest beneath God. Yet because your beauty would be humble through it, I would wish it were less by half, for then your command would be better than any others, and your person more noble. Lady, I am not so presumptuous that still, though utterly mocked, I would not hold the covenant which was broken to me. From you as a fief, every peacemaker would be honored by me for it. But I do not wish that afterward you say mine is the wrong when the parting comes, for from the other ladies I would take fright at it. There where it is strongest must be the better obeyed, for one finds mercy there more easily. And though I am overpowered by love, I must not be ill-treated for it, for by right failing will be yours, and nothing can be a protection to you for so much. Shepherd, you are of the Privy Council. Tell my haughty heart that there where courtesy and wisdom are, gallantry and youth must improve. Mental, you are the best garment and the most honor that any people ever form. More than friend, though you are ill-wishing toward me, the command of MIRAVAL is yours.